One of the emerging findings so far has been the potential value of public health interventions that lead to behavioural change in people. For example, programmes that encourage people to look after elderly neighbours during extreme heat events, programmes that would encourage people to control the sites for breeding of mosquitoes to reduce the risk of vector-borne disease. And I think there is a need to understand when those sorts of interventions would be most appropriate, because clearly if you introduce these things too early, people will get bored and by the time it's needed. And that, I think, is one of the big issues for future research. We've been doing a variety of systematic reviews of the literature, and I think one of the main findings so far has been that there's actually quite a lot of evidence about the effectiveness of a number of different interventions that may well prove useful under a warmer world. However, a lot of the evidence that's available is not well put together. It may be primarily applicable to countries elsewhere in the world, and I think the big challenge is to make sure that that evidence base is strengthened, and strengthened particularly in relationship to the needs of the European population.